Okay, so the next bit we need is these. These are the wing tips, which pop on there like so. So I am just going to put the control surface in place and then go right to the tip, because you want a gap anyway for the movement. So I'm gluing that into there. Now the elevons I'm going to plane down with this. I'm going to take an edge down here so we get the full movement, because obviously if it was square it wouldn't be able to move. And then the last, I'm just going to plane this down from about 2/3 in. I'm going to plane that down to about 3 mil both sides, but I'm just going to do it just from the top surface. So I've put the tips on, I've sanded the elevons, and now all I'm doing is I'm just going around. I've sanded that one already. I'm going to sand that one. I'm just going to spend a pleasant bit of time sat outside. I don't like breathing this stuff in, and I'm just going to slowly go over the whole of the wing, get it all sanded, and wait for my covering to turn up. But more time spent now will mean you'll get a neater finish in the end. Okay, so I've spent copious times making sure that the structure is nice and smooth. I've gone round and made sure there's no edges. Now I'm about to do the covering. You will have seen I'm going to post a link for the covering of the pug, but I'm assuming that anybody building one of these has done the covering before. But as before, I'm going to do all 4 panels, and then but I'm not going to shrink them down completely. Then I'm going to slowly just shrink the whole thing down, doing top and bottom like I did exactly with the pug.